Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you store them correctly and at ambient temperatures, homemade croutons will stay fresh for about 3 days. In the fridge, this increases to 5 days, and if you freeze them, they'll last for up to 6 weeks. If you've used fresh seasonings such as cheese on your croutons, this reduces how long they last. 19 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bake the bread at 350 degrees for 5 minutes or until the bread is soft. Take a towel and make it damp. Wrap the bread in the damp towel, and place the bread in the microwave. Microwave on high for a minute or until the bread is soft. 8 March 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To keep croutons crispy, make sure they are properly stored. Store croutons in a zip closure bag with all the air removed from the bag before sealing. Air or humidity will cause the croutons to become stale. Store croutons at room temperature. 9 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Like dangerously unhealthy noodles, croutons are one of the many unhealthy crunch options at salad bars. Just 1/2 cup of croutons can easily add 100 calories to your salad, and most croutons aren't made from healthy, sprouted grain breads. 6 May 2016.
Take our lead.
Croutons. Yes, you can freeze them. Cube stale bread and toast it for a few minutes. Then, place the croutons into a resealable freezer bag and stow in the freezer. Croutons will last 4 to 6 weeks in the freezer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When packed with the greens and stored in the fridge, croutons run the risk of turning soft and soggy. Avoid disappointment by storing croutons separately, and do not refrigerate them. Add them to your salad just before serving. 5 August 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The croutons can also be stored at room temperature, in the refrigerator, or frozen. However, it's best to keep them on the counter or frozen. This helps to prevent humidity and moisture from entering the croutons, causing them to become stale and less crispy. 1 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Croutons. Yes, you can freeze them. Cube stale bread and toast it for a few minutes. Then, place the croutons into a resealable freezer bag and stow in the freezer. You can also freeze the uncooked bread cubes and toast them at a later time.
Let's help you make your mark.
Store croutons in a resealable plastic bag with as much air removed as possible. You can also keep them in an airtight container. The croutons can also be stored at room temperature, in the refrigerator, or frozen. However, it's best to keep them on the counter or frozen. 1 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.